How to fix Fortnite Matchmaking Error 1. In order to fix this issue, let me move into one of the official article which is going to guide you with the step-by-step process. So this is one of the article which is going to help you out. The very first thing you want to do is to verify the file integrity. Sometimes the server downloads the wrong files or classes with the device. In that case, you can simply verify the file integrity. In order to do so, you need to open the Epic Game Launcher and click the three dot below Fortnite. Go to the Manage section and click Verify. Wait until the full verification is complete. The next thing you want to do is change the matchmaking server. Open the Fortnite settings and look for the Game tab. Select the matchmaking region option and change it to a different one. Restart your match queue to find the issue. Now the next thing you want to try doing is restart the router and game. Most of the time restarting the router has also fixed the issue. If not, you can reinstall the Epic Game Launcher. Try reinstalling the launcher and you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.